What is up, my friends? I am Mumfy. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining. And on this awesome, beautiful day, I figured, you know what? Let's do a quick install on the Tacoma. One that'll make the tailgate just a tad bit more useful. Let's get into it. Now, while the Tacoma tailgate does look good on the outside, it's not so comfortable when you need to climb into the bed on the inside. You have all these ridges, stuff like that. They have come in handy when I've been trying to utilize bolts and things like that. They definitely help keep screws somewhat organized. But I'm planning on switching this out for what's in this box. It's going to make it a little bit smoother. So let's open her up. Alright, I do have it sitting on the tailgate. It is taking up the tailgate completely. This is the tailgate insert from Mountain Hatch. Now, there are lots of tailgate inserts out there, some that are made from aluminum. This one from Mountain Hatch is actually a 1/2 inch FDA HDPE. A high density polyethylene. It is food grade safe, so you can use it as a table, as a cutting board. You just wipe it off with a damp cloth. But let's get into it. Now, the other cool thing about these tailgate inserts from Mountain Hatch is that you can get them in different colors. Most popular is typically black. I actually decided to go with a charcoal, and it comes with a sticker. There's also a little added hardware kit in here, but seeing as how we're just going to be unscrewing the screws that are holding the current tailgate in and dropping this in and just replacing it, I don't see any need for these other bolts. Alright, one of the cool things about the Mountain Hatch tailgate insert is that it is etched with the logo. Has a little caution message here. Slippery when wet. It's got a couple of cup holder cutouts, and it's got the made in USA, so this is going to be great quality. I'm excited to get this installed, so let's get going. Alright, now for this install you are going to need a T30 bit that'll fit into each of the bolts around the original factory tailgate insert. So we'll just go ahead and go around. Alright, now that once you're done removing those screws, you can come from the bedside, just lift up and slide out, and the stock tailgate insert does come out. Now, we can replace it with the Mountain Hatch. Alright, so we've got the Mountain Hatch. It does have the cutouts for laying it out, so that way you know which direction to install it. This one's actually going to be facing the top of the tailgate, not the bed. So we'll just line it up and lift up this plastic piece and slide the new tailgate piece underneath that. Yep. And we'll just make sure that we line up the holes so that when we reinsert the hardware, everything's lined up. Alright, so now that we have everything lined up, we'll just be reinserting all the factory hardware back into the holes and securing them down. Alright, and there you go. You've got the new Mountain Hatch tailgate insert installed. Looks great. Looks really good on the truck. I'm happy that I went with the gray, the charcoal. It definitely kind of goes with the color of the truck, the cement. I think it looks good. I'm really looking forward to using this out on the trail and, oh yeah, saving my knees. So the cool thing is that with these cutouts, you can use it for a cup holder, or if I need to kind of toss some hardware in there if I'm working on something, at least I've still got a place to at least hold some of that hardware. But I am looking forward to finally using this. I think it adds a really nice quality and a really nice touch to the tailgate, open or closed. Alright, thank you for joining me on the install of the Mountain Hatch Tailgate insert. I am not sponsored by Mountain Hatch. I did buy this myself, but I do like the fact that this is a food grade material, FDA approved, and the fact that it goes with the plastics and the composite that's already found in the bed. I greatly enjoy that aspect of it. If you guys enjoyed this install, please hit that like button. If you haven't already, smash the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Let me know in the comments, are you guys looking at doing a Mountain Hatch tailgate insert, or is there another insert that you guys are looking at going with? I enjoy answering your questions and replying to your comments, so be sure to leave that down below. And as always, we'll catch you in the next video.
Perfect.
Peace.
Perfect.